Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about average if function. Here I have few products and its category and its sales. From this I have to find average sales of electronics. We already know how to find average sales from this using average function. But coming to this data, this requirement, our requirement is to find average sales of electronics. There is a specific condition is there compared to average. In this case, we use average if function. Average if function calculates average of a range based on a true or false condition. That's the difference between average function and average if function. It is the combination of average and if function. We already done average function and if function a tutorial video in our channel. Please check out that also. And coming to average if, there is three parameters there. For average we only have two there is no parameter, only range. We specify only range there. Coming to average if, we have three parameter. We can first one is specify the range for the condition, second one is criteria, and third one is range where the function calculates the average. So here our requirement is to find average sales of electronics. For that, first I have to select a cell where I need my result, and our syntax is equal average if open bracket, and first is range, specify range for the condition. Here category, we have to find average sales of electronics. So this category column is what is our range, and then we have to specify what our criteria. What is our criteria? Average, we have to find average sales of electronics. So here electronics there. Then what is third parameter? Range where the function calculates the average. So for find average, we have to select average column also, sales column also. For that I'm giving as third parameter the sales column. That's it. Close the bracket and enter. So 170 is the average sales of electrons, and like that we can find other category average also. Hope everyone understand how to use average if function, what is the difference between average and average if function, and how to use averaging function in Excel and all. If you have any doubt, or you need more examples or something, please comment below. And if you like this video, please consider to subscribe and support me. Thank you.